right, it is Friday, March the 1st. Came driving up today, and let me tell you, a ton of progress happened today. So obviously from the outside, we'll walk around the back here in a second. They've been working on the roof, and nothing that you can see in the front, but it's all in the back. In the front here, you're seeing the column is much, a lot more stone on the column. But what I think you can probably see as we're walking in is they did spray foam and sound barrier today. And so now suddenly all of our rooms are insulated. It's just crazy when you look up in the ceiling, all the spray foam and the way they have the rooms. All the rooms have sound barrier in them too, which is more insulation. So here we're in the laundry room slash my office, that is. All along there. Even when you go in the garage, this really gives you a good idea on the garage, everything that's been done out here. And if you can see, this is the attic entrance here. They've basically got it all foamed everywhere, and that's almost like a wall of foam they got in. And then back there is going to be where all our storage is, because remember, we got our lift here that's going up. Everything is very, very well insulated. As we come into the kitchen here, remember on the other side of this was the bathroom, and of course our dining room, the great room here. And you just look up at that ceiling. I mean, that's energy efficiency right there.
I mean, already, if I'm in one of these rooms, I can't hardly hear you talking, Jim.
Oh, wow. That's crazy. Yeah, and so here's a bedroom 2, and the bathroom. Once again, the ceiling. Shower area and the walk-in closet. Coming down the hallway here, guest bedroom 3. Of course, it's the walk-in closet, but then of course you look at all the spray foam there. The bathroom here. And this is all just amazing. So these rooms are actually, we're really now beginning to really understand what the whole size of the house is based on these rooms, because now it all really starting to, you no longer see through the walls. And of course, I mean, here's the lounge here, which looks massive.
It does. It's like some rooms look smaller than they seemed before, and some seem like massively big.
Right. This is Laura's office. She'll be right there working someday.
Mm-hmm. Not hard, though.
At all of this. Yeah, that is just amazing. Come down, it's our coat closet here. Powder room here. That's actually the niche for the shower on the other side. This is coming into our master bedroom here. Yeah, just amazing. So glad we went with the spray foam, because that is going to definitely be very energy efficient. The walls there. This is the master bathroom. Potty closet here. Of course, this could be an extra bedroom here, but this is actually Laura's closet. It's a huge room. And of course, my closet right here. Again, another massive closet. All the spray foam. And then on the other side here, that's our outdoor bathroom.
Hello! Hot and fresh.
All right, so now we'll go back through our door through the bedroom to go take a look and see all the stuff that happened roof-wise. So they got a massive amount of work done up on the roof. As you can see, almost the entire back of the house now has the tin roof. Just one little section over here remaining, and right now the tin roof has a film on it, so it looks a little shiny still, but it's not actually shiny. It's a matte black tin roof. So I would definitely say today was probably one of the biggest days of things happening with the back roof going on, and then of course all the insulation and spray foam that went on in the inside. And we met with our a lot more stonework, right? And we met with our builder Bob today at the cabinet company that's making our cabinets, and got those all picked out. We picked out our flooring today. Today was probably biggest day for sure. Amazing, extremely exciting. Looking forward to more.